Do you want to know what is ChatGPT and how to use it? Well, then you have come to the right place because I am going to show you exactly how to use it. But make sure that you watch until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So first of all, you have to open your browser and type chat.openai.com, and the link is also available in the description. So the user interface of ChatGPT is something like this, and you have to make your account. I already made that, and you can easily make your account by simply login with your email and type your phone number. So ChatGPT is growing day by day. For example, if I type Elon Musk in the bar, so here you can see it is automatically typing for me and provide me a best result. You can take articles from there, you can type anything, and you don't need to go to different website for finding something. You just need to type anything you want. Like if I type AI technology, so here you can see it is typing for me about AI technology. So that's mean you don't need to go different website for finding something, and it is very user friendly as well. So I am giving you another example. If I type seven wonder of the world, here you can see it is giving me a proper data about seven wonders of the world, and you can easily use on Android as well. Here you can see if I type on Play Store ChatGPT, so here is the app, you can use it, and it is the official app. Don't use another apps because they are not verified. So it is very simple to use this new AI technology of writing. We can use it. We can use it for our articles. We can find anything here. It is very helpful. So guys, we hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any question or any comment about the topic we covered today, we did love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.